Okay, so here we have various halogenated organics, 1-bromobutane, 2-bromobutane, T-butyl bromide, bromobenzene, and benzyl chloride. And we're going to add a solution of sodium iodide in acetone. 2 mils. 2 mils. 2 mils. Okay, so we see rapid precipitate in this one, slow precipitation in this one. The other three are currently not doing anything. But in a moment we shall heat them up and see what happens. Okay, we can see that after heating, we do have some precipitate from the T-butyl bromide. But of course, that's because under these conditions, we cannot completely prevent the SN1 reaction. Okay, now we're going to compare the bromides and chlorides. We have 1 and 2 chloro and bromobutanes, and we're going to do the same reaction of sodium iodide in acetone. And we see that that one's reacting well, and these ones are just sitting there. Okay, here I have test tubes each containing 2 mils of sodium iodide at different concentrations. So that's 15%, 7.5%, 12.5%, and 5%. No, 3.5%. I'm going to add 3 drops of 1-bromobutane to each. As you see, we're getting precipitation in the concentrated ones, a little bit of precipitation in that one, and no precipitation yet in the dilute one. Okay, so in these 4 test tubes, I have 1 bromobutane. Okay, different quantities, 1 drop, 2 drops, 4 drops, and 8 drops. And I'm going to add the same amount of sodium iodide solution to each. We can clearly see that the concentrated solution of bromobutane is reacting much faster than the more dilute ones. And after we've given it some more time, this one has started to precipitate, but these two are clearly faster. Okay, here we have some beakers full of bromoalkanes, or brominated organic compounds. 1 bromobutane, 2 bromobutane, 2-methylpropane, bromobenzene, and benzyl chloride. Sorry, we couldn't afford benzyl bromide. And we are going to add a solution of silver nitrate in methanol. Two mils. 2 mils. 2 mils. 2 mils. 2 mils. And you can see which ones have reacted slowly and which ones have reacted immediately. Just gonna pause. And if we come back to it later, we are seeing some small amounts of precipitate with the 1-bromobutane and the benzyl chloride. Nothing with the bromobenzene. Okay, now we're going to compare the chlorides and the bromides. So we have T-chlorobutane, 2-bromobutane, T-butyl chloride, T-butyl bromide.